Hey y'all, let me show you how to make an acai bowl at home that's quick, easy, and inexpensive. We're going to do it right here in Kietha T's kitchen. Y'all keep watching. Hey friends, y'all know what works after a good workout? A good old acai bowl. Let's make one. I'm going to show you how I make it over here. Got a pack of my acai mixture. I'm gonna open that up. Get it right into my blender. Now they come frozen and you just let it sit in that warm water to get it to this texture. Oh my God. That wasn't a part of the plan, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna add our frozen fruit. I'm starting with some strawberries. And go in with some blueberries. Got a frozen banana. Gonna add some honey. And I like to add water. I don't do the juice, I do the water. Now we're gonna blend. Yeah, sometimes I feel like this thing makes more noise and less blending. But it looks pretty good. So let's move on to the next step. Time to assemble. See how good that looks? Now let's get our toppings on. Gonna start off with some granola. Go in with our bananas. You can put whatever you want to put on your acai bowl. This is what I like. So we got our bananas. Then I like to go in with my strawberries. Gonna line my blueberries in there. Y'all see it? It's looking good, right? I know. Hey. What do I do with it? Oh. Y'all, we gonna drizzle some of my crunchy Biscoff cookie butter right on top. This is my $5 acai bowl that I make here at home. Now, my last little thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop some coconut flakes. Y'all see it? Oh. Just like that, y'all. We've got a beautiful, beautiful, delicious acai bowl made right here in Kietha T's kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please, please, give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. But that's it. This is how I make my acai bowl, $5 acai bowl right here at home, okay? Y'all be blessed and I'll see you in the next video.